In less than a week, Misamis Occidental has built momentum for tourism, marking milestone after milestone across key tourism destinations in the province. Fresh off the inauguration of the Ascenso Misamis Occidental Recreation and Adventure Park or AMORAP in Sinacaban, the groundbreaking of the Ascenso Global Gardens Eco Park in Tanglob City, another major milestone has been achieved on April 23. Newly inaugurated are AMORAP's restaurant and alfresco dining area, alongside the river tourism project in Sapang Dalaga, further expanding the province's growing portfolio of destination-driven developments. These projects, funded under the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority or TIEZA, were personally inspected by TIEZA Chief Operating Officer Mark Lapid and Department of Tourism Region 10 Director Marie-Elaine Unchuan, together with Misamis Occidental Governor Henry S. Waminal, who has been instrumental in pushing for the completion of the projects. Governor Waminal emphasized that through TIEZA's continued support, key tourism projects across the province, including AMORAP and AGG, are steadily being realized, strengthening Misamis Occidental's position as an emerging tourism hub in Mindanao.
Itong i-inaugurate natin ngayon are not the only projects na ibinuhos ng TIEZA sa atin. Nakita ng guest natin ngayon ang maong pangangailangan. We are making here in Misamis Occidental impossible things. Impossible. Nang noon ay kantang isang impossible dream. Ginagawa na natin ngayon ang impossible. Naging posible.
Meanwhile, in Sapang Dalaga, Vice Mayor Donji Animas underscored that the success of the Tourism Assistance Center and the Kaluya Floating Dock, which was made to complement and improve connectivity to the Kaluya floating cottages and floating playground, is rooted in the standards and commitment upheld by local tourism stakeholders.
Sa aktibidades gahapon, dapat ang standard sa ato ang mga tourist destination ing-ani na o labuan pa nato. So magkinabagay ta para ato pang ipaasenso ang atong turismo dire.
For his part, COO Lapid highlighted that the completion of these developments reflects the impact of small but sustained collaboration and the collective efforts of the people behind each project.
Yan na yung simula ng pagbibigay daan sa trabaho, sa kabuhayan, and I hope makatulong sa pamamagitan ng mga maliliit na proyektong ganito. Sama-sama tayo papunta sa paglago. We start on planting the seeds, and eventually, kaya naman natin ginagawa to para naman sa mga kinabukasan ng mga susunod na henerasyon. Nagtanim na tayo ng ating pagsisimula. Tuloy-tuloy po nating aanihin yan. And malay nyo, sa susunod na taon o sa susunod na taon pa, mas darami pa yung proyekto natin.
With continued partnerships and steady development, Misamis Occidental is moving forward, one project at a time, to becoming one of Northern Mindanao's premier tourism destinations. This is Shayna Cobo, Ascenso Misamis Occidental.